This community event will inform and excite local residents about the current implementation of technology in schools and promote awareness of improved instruction and learning through the use of new technology if the Educational Technology Bond is passed. The attendees at this community event will visit several different stations to gather information and interact with technology currently used in education, supporting the technology-driven pedagogical shift to promote several opportunities that prepare students to be successful in college careers and their future in the 21st century. The audience will be invited to walk through a large timeline display presenting the history of technology in classrooms. As they progress through the timeline, the attendees will learn how technology use and integration in the classroom has changed over the years. 21st century technologies have increased access and student use of digital devices, and considering the evolution of technology in education, we can expect to see more changes that improve instruction and learning as soon as 2025. Classrooms will offer more digital options to provide virtual field trips, online learning, personalized learning software, online standardized testing, and global sharing of learning material and content. At the end of the timeline, there will be a visual display projected on a smartboard that explains how the integration of technology in education supports UDL principals and student learning of pre-kindergarten through 12th grade students in the school district. Students can select and learn essential information about UDL and technology integration by double-tapping highlighted sections on the smartboard. This interactive display will define the CAST philosophy of UDL, define how UDL principles minimize barriers and maximize learning for every student, and explain how technology devices support the implementation of UDL principles. The Universal Design for Learning, or UDL, is an approach to curriculum that minimizes barriers and maximizes learning for all students. CAST extended this educational framework to facilitate learning by understanding classroom diversity and appropriate application of technology. How do UDL core principles support learning across grade levels? Educators can follow UDL principles to provide meaningful learning opportunities that meet diverse needs by providing multiple means of representation, action, and expression and engagement for learning. This flexible curriculum design allows students at all age and grade levels to acquire and gain knowledge through various media, demonstrate their knowledge through different ways, and engage in genuine learning experiences that are interesting, motivating, and appropriately challenging. How do technology devices support the implementation of UDL principles? Technology devices have modifications built into their flexible design to meet students' needs. By incorporating technology into instruction, educators can establish an inclusive classroom that supports the implementation of UDL principles and minimizes the need for additional modifications. This inclusive environment removes the stigma of learning disabilities or challenges by providing respectful tasks for all learners. Technology also offers additional support or guidance in learning by providing students with immediate feedback. Incorporating technology during instruction creates opportunities that are appropriate and meaningful to students' level of skill or ability. Technology use in classrooms has increased over the years, and recent research supports a continuation of this trend. Continual evolution of these technologies will give rise to new pedagogical approaches that will benefit future generations and promote the future of education. Attendees will have the opportunity to watch a short video that demonstrates UDL in action, using the same smartboard that previously displayed essential information. The following link presents the video produced by Alberta Education that demonstrates various instructional strategies that support the implementation of UDL principles and reiterate how technology can support these principles to establish a full inclusive classroom. We'll view a visual display with supplemental audio that discusses the impact UDL has on teaching and learning for the specific population of pre-kindergarten through 12th grade students in the school district. UDL has a profound impact on teaching and learning when educators implement these principles to design effective instructional plans that accommodate students with diverse needs and abilities. CAST developed a philosophy that includes the integration of technology and UDL core principles to establish curriculum guidelines that minimize barriers and maximize learning for every student. Implementing core components of UDL into instruction, educators can provide differentiated learning opportunities through multiple means of representation, expression, and engagement. UDL-based instruction benefits students across all age and grade levels, especially those nearing their completion of high school. By implementing UDL principles into every lesson, Educators provide several opportunities for students to learn and express their understanding through methods that are just right for them. Students are actively engaged during these learning experiences and develop a greater enjoyment in school, thus promoting and supporting their academic achievement and future successes. Including their visit to the station, attendees will have the opportunity to interact with various technologies that support the implementation of UDL principles in the classroom. Flickrs are digital tools that provide multiple means of engagement and promote students' self-awareness and reflection on their learning. Teachers can use Flickrs to collect responses and provide immediate feedback during formative assessments, such as group discussions, questionnaires, and other tasks that assess student progress by scanning the special codes on each student's Flickr card. OneNote Web Clipper is a web-based application that provides multiple means of representation by offering options for students to acquire and process information. Students can use OneNote Web Clipper from any supporting device to view, save, and organize articles from the Internet. The Immersion Reader feature offers options for customizing text display and removing clutter around a text selection. Notability is a different web-based application that provides multiple means of action and expression by allowing students to demonstrate their knowledge using video or audio. Students can use this application to take notes via written or typed text, attaching photos or links to websites, using graphic organizers, and other form of note-taking. Students can then access their notes from any compatible iOS device. Students can sync their notes with individualized audio recordings so they can easily locate specific information and listen to the corresponding audio. Engaging with these interactive applications will help attendees recognize how these digital tools maximize learning for every student and thus develop an increased appreciation for the educational use of technology. In station, the attendees will gather information about how the implementation of technology and UDL principles support learning for every student. They will view the mission and belief statements for the local school district pertaining to technology integration and career and technical education. The Hazlet School District provides the highest quality educational opportunities through the integration of technology into every classroom and the promotion of Common Core State Standards, technology standards, and universal design for learning, personal successes, and academic achievements. Our mission is to prepare all students with the essential knowledge and 21st century skills needed to become lifelong learners and succeed in an ever-changing technology-driven world. The Hazlet School District belief statements are: we believe that every student can learn and deserves learning opportunities that meet their diverse needs. We believe that technology integration into every classroom minimizes barriers and provides students with learning opportunities that optimize their potential academic success. We believe that technology and state standards provide guidelines to ensure that every student is equipped with the knowledge and skills to succeed in college careers and life in a technology-driven world. That technology and state standards provide guidelines to ensure that every student is equipped with knowledge and skills to succeed in a technology-driven world. We believe that incorporating UDL principles into the curriculum design maximizes learning for every student and fosters the acquisition of 21st century skills. We believe that students learn best when they have opportunities to engage in hands-on activities, collaborate with others to discuss thoughts and ideas, and analyze possible solutions to real-world problems using critical thinking and logical reasoning. We believe that students develop essential life and career skills through this collaborative, problem-based learning with applications to real-world experiences. We believe that providing opportunities that promote self-awareness and reflection on learning encourage students to set and achieve appropriate personal goals. The Hazlet School District established 3 goals that align with the mission and belief statements. These goals dictate the outcomes expected for the educational programs and courses offered to every student in the school district. As a community, we strive to provide several opportunities for all students to engage in hands-on learning that stimulates the acquisition and use of 21st century skills, encourage and support all students' maximum potential for success and academic achievement, and integrate technology into the classroom to promote high-quality teaching and learning for all students. A list of courses and programs offered in the school district will be presented to the attendees to provide examples of how technology and UDL can impact levels of learners and school environments, including elementary, middle, and high school. The Great Start Readiness Program provides free early childhood education to pre-kindergarten students Through flexible curricula and exceptional teaching practices, students become prepared for kindergarten and future schooling. Writing Camp is a program for elementary and middle school students, pre-kindergarten through 8th grade. The Spartan Writing Camp allows students to explore and enjoy writing with the inspiration and support from experienced professionals. Hazlitt A+ Virtual Academy provides enrollment options offered to any student through 12th grade that resides in the Hazlitt School District. Middle school students can take courses to enrich their learning or to acquire credits they can transfer to high school courses. High school students can enroll in courses for enrichment, retake courses to replace previous grades, or take courses to advance their learning so they have more time for advanced options during the school year. Wilson Talent Center offers the Patient Care Technician program to high school juniors and seniors. Students enrolled in the CTE or Career and Technical Education program will be trained in healthcare-related knowledge and skills. CTE programs and courses prepare students with essential knowledge and skills necessary to become successful in their careers and progress in life. Automotive Technology is a CTE program offered to high school juniors and seniors at the Wilson Talent Center. Students enrolled in this program will learn mechanical and technical skills associated with automotive engineering. The Talent Center offers the Bioscience Careers program to high school juniors and seniors. Students enrolled in the CTE program will acquire scientific skills through hands-on learning to prepare for college and future science-based careers. The Enrichment and Recreation program is provided by the Hazlitt School District and offers community education courses and events to students of all ages. Michigan Connections Academy is a program that provides a free online public school option for any K-12 student living in Michigan. Technology is integrated into this program through virtual classrooms and online learning. In addition to traditional disciplinary subjects, this program offers CTE courses to prepare high school students for college and careers after graduating. At the final station, the attendees will gather information and interact with technology integrated into classrooms to promote students' acquisition of 21st century skills. Students should gain these skills as a result of participating in a course or program offered in Hazlitt School District. The attendees will be provided with a digital flip chart that highlights the Bioscience Careers program and how it integrates technology to promote the acquisition of essential knowledge and skills within each of the 4 21st century student outcomes. These outcomes include content knowledge and 21st century themes, learning and innovation skills, information, media, and technology skills, and life and career skills. By participating in the Bioscience Careers program, students develop environmental literacy, critical thinking and problem solving, ITC literacy, and initiative and self-direction. Students will acquire knowledge and skills about bioscience and its application to science-based careers, such as plant science, biofuels, water management technology, aquaculture, and food science, thus developing environmental literacy. To acquire critical thinking and problem-solving skills, students will analyze and interpret information through hands-on laboratory work to solve real-world problems related to bioscience. Students will apply technology effectively by using cutting-edge technologies and equipment to analyze different bioscience concepts and skills to develop ITC literacy. For instance, when studying topics about careers in chemical technology, students will use a spectrophotometer to measure the wavelength transmitted by various objects and conduct a quantitative graph using Microsoft Excel. Demonstrating an effective application of technology supports students' future employability. The Bioscience Careers program provides opportunities for students to demonstrate their ability to read and accurately read procedures to acquire data. Learning how to effectively apply technology to record and analyze scientific data supports future employability within a bioscience-related career. Students will develop initiative and self-direction by engaging in laboratory settings that provide opportunities for both collaborative and independent work. Through independent work, students learn how to set goals and manage their time, monitor their progress to complete tasks, and demonstrate self-direction to extend their knowledge and skills to become lifelong learners. An example of a digital tool used in one or more courses is web-based technology. This technology provides an online learning environment for our Hazlitt A+ Virtual Academy and Michigan Connections Academy. Both online learning environments use web-based technology through virtual classrooms, live stream instruction, and digital discussion boards and assignments. Students at Michigan Connections Academy can use Connexus, an online learning management system, to access their lessons, communicate with teachers, and explore learning resources. The created video lesson will showcase how the Bioscience Careers program represents technology integration, 21st century skill acquisition, and employability. The attendees will have an opportunity to interact with Nearpod, a digital learning tool and resource. It integrates technology to promote college and career readiness for K-12 students through interactive video lessons that align with state standards. The attendees can use this tool to explore and learn about various topics, including videos on college and career exploration and digital citizenship and literacy. By engaging with these interactive videos, attendees will establish a better understanding of how technology promotes students' acquisition of 21st century skills and supports their future employment. Therefore, attendees will develop an increased interest and appreciation for the educational use of technology. By viewing an educator-created video recording, the attendees will develop awareness and appreciation about the importance of integrating technology to enable innovative teaching practices and maximize student learning. This video will explain how student programs, educational courses, and students would benefit from upgraded technology if the Educational Technology Bond is passed. Current educational courses and programs in local schools would benefit from upgraded technology from the approved bond. New technologies allow educators to monitor student progress and make adjustments to improve instructional practices. Technology enhances communication and data sharing with administration and teachers across grade levels. Additionally, upgraded technology can be integrated into the classroom to supplement instruction and improve student learning if the bond is passed. The use of technology does not merely support instruction, but rather contributes to a changing dynamic of teaching and learning, where students are becoming more actively engaged in their own learning process. New technology promotes student-centered learning through interactive games with different levels of difficulty, various choices for students to present their knowledge, and adjustable supports for diverse learning needs. Students demonstrate increased levels of motivation and engagement through these personalized learning experiences. Integrating technology into instruction provides opportunities for students to acquire the essential skills to become college and career ready in the 21st century. 21st century students across all age and grade levels are becoming increasingly tech-savvy, familiar with active learning, and experienced in multiple flexible learning situations. Therefore, if the bond is passed, we must integrate the most innovative technologies into education to support students in becoming lifelong learners and prepared for life after high school. Thank you for attending this community event to gather information and interact with different digital tools and applications. I hope you have gained awareness of the impact implementing technology has on improving education. With approval of the Educational Technology Bond, we can better prepare students with the essential knowledge and skills needed to succeed in college, careers, and life in the 21st century.